Good morning, students. Welcome to the Science 1 class. Today we are going to learn chromatography. Chromatography is a separation technique used to separate different components in a liquid mixture. Before we are getting into this, let's know what is absorption and adsorption. In day-to-day life, we see many examples. Chalk dipped in ink, perfume spray is absorbed by skin, crispy finger chips turn soaky because they have absorbed moisture from the air. Let's focus on absorption. We know sponge has a lot of holes in them. So can we say that the sponge is porous in nature? We take a sponge and put it into the water. What will happen if a sponge falls inside the water? Yeah, the sponge is soaked up with water. What is exactly happening in this? One substance, that is sponge, the other substance, that is water. Water is entering through the surface of the sponge and they are getting uniformly distributed throughout the bulk of the sponge. Now, when I use the word bulk, it means the sponge is going to get wet uniformly throughout with water. With such a phenomenon in which one substance enters the another substance and gets uniformly distributed throughout the bulk of another substance, we call it as an absorption. Next, we move on to adsorption. Here is a jar containing a red dye dissolved in water. Look what happens when a solid pellet of carbon is dropped into the jar. Isn't it that surprising? The red color has almost disappeared in the jar. Why? The charcoal pellet has minute pore on its surface that cause the colored particle stick to it. The red dye undergoes the process of adsorption. Shake or warm this jar, although you get back the red color. Adsorption can be easily reversed by simple heating and is transitory. From this activity, we understand as the process in which the particles of substance is concentrated only the surface of another substance. Thank you.